CAD Swiss here. Okay, so this actually looks like it's moving pretty good, and I might have to jump on a trade, to be honest. So this 4-hour zone here I had marked was pretty critical, and then price actually ended up breaking it. First it pushed it lower, so it was right here, and now with this current candle, looks to be crushing the zone. So we'll see how this candle closes, but if it closes below this area, which I think it will, delete this alert, and then I think we are good for this trade entry. So move this over, be something like this. See if price comes back up and retests this little 4-hour area here I got. But putting it on the daily here, you can see this area is just massive. But price kept pushing it lower and lower and lower, and so your immediate area would be like right here if you don't include this massive wick here. But yeah, and you can see price is retesting the bottom of this area right now, so like this is a huge zone, and then if it breaks this area, I think we're good to go all the way to 63.5, so which is the monthly range for this pair. So I'm actually going to set up a trade here based on a few things. So price is below the daily moving average, clearly super bearish, so check, that's step one. Step two is check the 4-hour, yeah, below. Check the 1-hour, yeah, below. So, and you can see lower highs, lower lows. This is perfect bear structure, so this trade is setting up perfect. And I want to see if there is a 1-hour zone. This actually is one, so I'm going to delete this zone here. We're going to clean it up. We're going to put a 1-hour zone here, right there. So we got this 1-hour zone now. Now if price breaks below and holds this, then I am going to take this trade. And because to me, if it breaks this 4-hour zone, it breaks this 1-hour zone, and it's below all these moving averages, it's below the 30-minute even as well, and it's below the 15, this tells me it really wants to go down. And then so a couple things, what we're going to do is we're going to create more zones of resistance, of liquidity. So we have a 1-hour zone up here. That's going to protect us, hopefully. Doesn't always happen, but there's this one here, so we'll put this in here. This is how I stack my trades. So you actually just like you build them basically. So then you got a zone here, and then that's another 1-hour zone. So we got this zone for protection, we got this 4-hour zone, and then we'll have this one as well. So there's a lot of zones here of liquidity protection, and which is what you want. So then we'll put our stop above this area here, just kind of quite a bit. Might be too much actually. I might dial this down. I'd probably just keep it above here, depending on where this 1-hour. Yeah, I would be fine with this actually. A little bit above this zone, just because it is above this 1-hour moving average as well. So yeah, what we have to do is wait for a 1-hour candle. So there's still 39 minutes left on this one, but it's got to break this zone. If it doesn't break this zone, we have no trade. But I need to break this area, and then yeah, we're good to go for this entry. So I'm going to watch this real close, and then I'll set my, I want it to break, and then I want to retest. So I'll keep my entry still up here at this liquidity area, because I think that even if this candle breaks this zone, I think it'll be a pretty small candle, and because you have so much wickage here, it might still pull up a little bit and get us in the trade at the best price possible. So looking at about 6.5 risk to reward on this trade. I don't know if it's going to move this entire amount this month. It's only got a few days left, but I mean, maybe. We'll see if it's a massive move. I mean, this is a huge area here, so if it breaks this area, I mean, it could head low. So that is CAD Swiss. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.